Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use lost mode on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the last mode is when you lost your device, and basically what you guys want to do in a situation when you lost your device, you guys can easily head over to the iCloud site on your either PC, your Mac, or simply anything else. You guys can also do that from your friend's Android, your friend's iPhone. And basically when you are in the Find My app, you will see that you have your iPhone. Now this is the iPhone I am using right now, and right here we have a section called Lost iPhone. Now we just click here, and as you guys can see, it will lock and will lock down certain features. It will suspend the payment cards and other services, and it will show the contact info. So we can click on continue, enter the phone number that you want to use when someone finds your iPhone and wants to simply give you a call. So click next, click yes, and here you guys can either enter your custom message or leave this iPhone has been lost, please call me. Click next, and here is how it looks like. We can click on activate, and as you guys can see, this iPhone is now considered as lost, but no worries. What you guys can do is swipe up and enter the passcode. Now we have to verify the password for the Apple account, and whenever we go back to the Find My, as you guys can see, the lost mode will be off. So all it takes is just your PIN. Now as you guys can see, we can allow the phone to show the location, and now we have to verify the password again in our Apple account. So here you just verify your password. Let me quickly do that. Now after entering the password, here we need to click on settings, and here enter the verification code sent to your other Apple devices. And when you did not receive the code, click here and either resend code to the devices or select cannot get to my devices, and then simply follow up with the phone number or an email. So I'll quickly resend the code and I'll get back to you guys. After entering the verification code, here you can add your trusted phone number. I'll simply don't add any right now. And as you guys can see, everything is good now. We have the full control of the phone. But this is what happens when you use the lost mode, and I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned how to use the lost mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. And if it helped you, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.